Hi, I'm Sneha Sahiti Pamadri. My data visualization project is Data of Zomato Restaurants. Data visualization is a field that deals with the graphic presentation of data, and it is an effective way of communicating data or ideas with clarity and precision. I have taken my dataset from Kaggle, and here is some information about the dataset. The data is about Zomato restaurant consumers and it includes cost, comments, votes, and other 22 variables to explain the information. There are some major fields in the dataset. They are country, city, locality, cuisines, average cost per two, and boards. Here I have used Tabular for all the visualizations, and the reason behind using Tabular is data visualization quickly create interactive visualizations, comfortable implementations, easily handles large amounts of data. It has ability to use other scripting languages. It's mobile friendly. It has extensive customer resources and it's low in cost. After seeing the datasets, the problems are we need to detect the low or underrated restaurants in the data and update the restaurants. We need to find the cheapest restaurant city and country as well as the most costliest restaurant city and country. The distribution of few countries like India, USA, Brazil, and other countries. Here is our first visualization using Tabula, which says a city with cheapest and expensive restaurant in India. According to the graph, the cheapest restaurant in India is in Ghaziabad, where the average cost of two people is 283 rupees. Amritsar has the second cheapest restaurant, which costs 481 rupees for two persons. And the most costly restaurant is in Hyderabad, with an average cost of 1,361 rupees for two people. The second most expensive restaurant is in Jaipur with $1,310. Second graph is the city with cheapest and expensive restaurants in USA. There are many cheapest restaurants. So among them, there are in Glasgow, Foley, Macmillan, and Vanonia with $10 of average cost for two people, and there are no restaurants in Miller. The most costly restaurant is in Kingston with an average cost of $70 for two people. In the above graph, we have different countries with count of the restaurants in our Zomato database here. We found that India with large population has large number of restaurants in it. Second highest restaurants in the United States with 432. And other visualization is a city with large number of votes in countries Brazil, United Arab Emirates, and India. In Brazil, the votes are more in Rio de Janeiro with 4.265. And in United Arab Emirates, the votes are more in Dubai with 4.370. And in India, the votes are more in Bangalore with 4.375. The main graph shows which countries have the lowest rating. With a score of 3.462, India got the lowest rating. Philippines has the highest grade with 4.468. And our last visualization is restaurants having table reservations in Philippines. In Philippines, there are overall 22 restaurants that have table booking and that doesn't have table. Only 14 of the 22 restaurants in the Philippines have table reservations. The other 8 has no table reservations. Here are my visualizations. Thank you so much for listening to me.